I've got this shingle cut to fit to where my reveal is right where it needs to go, but before I nail it down, I am going to apply my roofing cement to the pipe boot flange before I put the shingle on top. You don't need a lot, just a small bead like that. That's gonna seal that shingle all the way around that edge. Any water that gets in around this edge can't get past because we've got that cement there sealing it off. After I get the final shingle on, I go back and make sure to trim enough of a rain channel on this edge. I've